Sauce. Dip him, Tucker. Dip him.
Okay.
Go get your daddy.
Tucker, dip him. Dip him, Tucker.
Hey, Mike, we saw bats.
You saw bats?
Uh-huh.
Where?
That's all last night.
Really?
We saw bats that good, and they were bats. And we turned into bats.
Bats?
And we turned into bats.
Was Daddy Sauce last night too? That was the elephant.
You're turning into all bats.
All bats.
Like on Fear and Loathing.
Yeah, that might be it.
All the bats. They're going to get all turned into the bats, and all the bats over here outside, and they're going to get you.
All right.
Turn into you. You're not going to turn into bats. You're going to turn into an elephant.
You're gonna be Sauce.
No.
Frozen sauce.
I'm not
Frozen
going to
sauce.
No. Oh no.
Tucker, what does Sauce do?
They dip you.
They what?
They dip you.
They dip you?
They dip you.
They dip you.
Yeah. Ow.
You got Sauce, Tony. Don't poke your sister in the eye.
Don't do that.
What's a bad elephant do?
No, we don't poke anybody in the eye.
What's a bad elephant do?
Sauce.
What's a tiger do?
They just run. And what do you do?
What do you do, Mike?
I'm the new dip.
Here's a new dip.
That's Sauce. That's Sauce, and that's new dip.
Found it.
You don't get the pound. We're freezing. And we're freezing boys, and we can freeze people.
You freeze people, huh?
Uh-huh.
You got Sauce, too.
That's not
He's freezing people.
Oh, man.
He left you hanging.
Oh,
Man.
man.
There we go, the ring.
He left you hanging.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. What are we going to do?